86 species in genus Zamia. Zamia, my fascination with the ancient cycads. As a botanist, I've always been drawn to the unique and the ancient, the survivors who have witnessed epochs come and go. And among the plant kingdom, few can claim such a long and fascinating history as the cycads, particularly the genus Zamia. These tough, resilient plants have weathered the storms of time, enduring since the Jurassic period, and continue to thrive in diverse environments today. I first encountered Zamia during a field expedition in Central America. The humid air hung heavy with the scent of damp earth and exotic blooms, but it was a cluster of unusual plants with stiff, palm-like leaves that caught my eye. They grew low to the ground, their stout trunks crowned with a rosette of glossy, dark green fronds. These were Zamia, and I was immediately captivated. A closer look at Zamia. Zamia is a genus of cycads belonging to the family Zamiaceae. They are gymnosperms, meaning their seeds are not enclosed within a fruit. Instead, they produce cones, similar to pines and other conifers. Unlike the towering redwoods or sprawling pines, however, Zamia species are generally small, stocky plants, often resembling ferns or palms. Their trunks are mostly subterranean, giving them a unique, almost primeval appearance. What truly sets Zamia apart is its remarkable adaptability. These plants can be found in a wide range of habitats, from the humid rainforests of Central America to the dry, scrublands of Florida. Some species even tolerate salt spray, making them well-suited to coastal environments. This hardiness has undoubtedly contributed to their long evolutionary success. Diversity within the genus. The genus Zamia is surprisingly diverse, encompassing over 80 recognized species. Each has its own unique characteristics, adding to the richness and complexity of the genus. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The importance of Zamia. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, Zamia plants play a vital role in their ecosystems. Their seeds and leaves provide food for various animals, and their root systems help to stabilize the soil, preventing erosion. Some Zamia species have also been used by indigenous peoples for medicinal purposes and as a source of food. Unfortunately, many Zamia species are now facing threats due to habitat loss and overcollection. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these ancient plants for future generations. My continued interest. My fascination with Zamia has only deepened over the years. I continue to study these remarkable plants, exploring their evolutionary history, ecological significance, and potential uses. I am particularly interested in their ability to thrive in harsh environments, a trait that could hold valuable lessons for sustainable agriculture and land management. Zamia serves as a living testament to the power of adaptation and resilience. These ancient plants have much to teach us about survival, persistence, and the interconnectedness of life. I am honored to be a part of their ongoing story,